Headphones up a little bit more. Leave that in there.
Yeah,
Hollywood.
Listen,
Listen. This tune here is a little, what can I say? Jamaican. Get me? Somali English, but like a little Jamaican rhythm. You get me? Dread, you ready? Listen, yo, I'm about to tell you something. I am Bisaka, but I was Saad Musa. I know your mother told you Nella Agusa, but I wanna chick with the hilly like Sambusa. Enough about me. What's your name? What's your maga? You got a boyfriend? Yeah, what's his maga? Why? Cause I wanna put a fucking dagger on his mother. I am not Red Hammer, but I buy you a kutuba. I can picture us getting married by October. Any nigga bothers you are grabbing by his goat. You're my little queen and I'm happy I'm your boker. If your brothers beat me up, then how could that be torture? You're like Arsenal, how can't I support ya? How can't I support ya? How can't I support ya? If you don't know how to dance, one kubaraya. If you don't know how to dance, one kubaraya. I'm not cruise so much on my knees and chillin'. Wanna put me down, we can meet like Hillim. Every girl know that I'm sweet like Tim, and I'm so fucking cute. I get speech by Juma. I think they think that I sing like Juba. They say he's good, but I think I'm good. Flow so sick, it's the shit like Shiban. If you smoke green, you can bring 5 Cuban. Bring 5 girls, and I'll bring like Turban. With foot to wall, and not quite common. One girl said to me, straight after that, goose cake, I'm back. They call me Hollywood, London, Bangkasaya. Give me your condom, beat, can what's a ya? What's up, what's up, what's up, what's a ya? If you don't know how to dance, one kubaraya. If you don't know how to dance, one kubaraya. You know my maga, everything I spit dagger. And my flow's gone nasty like mala. And I spit hard till my teeth get thinner. Niggas want beef, they get beat like an What is more deep is I need man. Doesn't matter how much I eat them man. Cause I'm a sucker chan, why you sus my kahan? Well I am Hollywood, the one they call Marathi. Leave it like this, I'm about to spit this. I'm about to show everybody everything's crisp. I'm a two, I rub out ladies for the boss. I'm up, you laugh, I don't fucking think it's awesome. I rub the team, I chill, I tell them like I saw my Abba says Sahib Yasha in no bag. And I'm hungry, I could eat a dog.